The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Today is Tuesday, August 23rd. Tim, Deepak, guys, Leo, Scott. Thank you, Scott. I appreciate that. John, good morning. Dennis, James, Sam, fellas, good morning. Very good morning to you. I am running 1 minute late. Carl, good morning and welcome back. Yeah, about the same, Ray. Thank you. Claudia, good morning. Still, yeah, Robert, yeah, I guess, men's and men's, as we would say in Italian. Men's and men's. If you guys are here on trial, good morning. I'm never late. That's the thing. Never. Guys, I've lived my life by one credo. If you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late. And if you're late, don't come. Thank you, Claudia. Good morning, Sally. Guys, the bots are off to a very good start today. Yesterday was a very bad day for the bots. They did lose money yesterday. Barry, good morning. Low volume and low volatility it's a tough trade all the way around. But today coming in, the bots are now up $2,212. I'll go over charts in a minute. So they are now up on the week, about $1,000. We'll see what we get today. I don't know what we have for news, if any. Of course, the big news is Jackson Hole at the end of the week. Today is Tuesday. Why can't I find? There we go, Tuesday. I guess at 9:45 we have some news, which manufacturing global S&P Global Manufacturing PMI. I never followed it, so I guess we'll pay attention. New home sales at 10. That will probably be a miss. I would be shocked if it's a B. We do have Philly Fed at 8:30. Redbook retail sales, I don't care. And we have, it looks like Toll Brothers, but we have nothing of any interest today as far as earnings. Tomorrow, network appliances, NVIDIA, CRM, we've got some big earnings tomorrow. What time is Powell's speech? I don't know when he speaks. Do you? Noon? Yeah, we can keep the room open at noon. I mean, we'll take a break at 11 or 11:15, and I'll just leave the room open. Not like I have anywhere to go or anything to do. At 12 noon on a Friday. Yeah, we can do that. I'm sure there'll be some volatility. For those of you guys that took those SPX puts yesterday, better than a double. It took most of the day, but better than a double. You guys may notice that the option trades, primarily on the SPX, is what we do. But the option trades that I have been doing are not same day expiration. There's not enough volatility. So I've been doing the following day. Obviously, we pay a little bit more in the premium, but we're not going to get chewed up for 4 hours of a 5-point rain. Nice job, Mark. Very nice. Good morning, Greg. We look like we're going to get a bounce today. Financial Juice has Powell speaking at 10. All right, so somewhere between 10 and noon. Either way, I'll keep the room open. If it's after the normal 11 o'clock, we'll keep the room open and we'll see if we can't find some trades. And then we'll call it a week. In any event, let me quickly read the disclaimer. Your short CL at 75. With a 95 stop. Okay, right? 75 with a 95. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, got it. Thank you, Greg. Thank you. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, so we just have a short now in crude, 91.54. We'll see how that goes. Let me go over charts. I'll show you what, let me shut my Skype off, guys. The last thing I need. Last thing I need is one more thing to drain power. All right, let's see here. Lori Powell is at 10 a.m. Eastern. Powell and what will be his fifth year speaking at the event. We'll talk about the economic outlook at 10 a.m. The U.S. Central Bank set on Thursday. Okay, 10 a.m. All right, so we'll be here. Anyways. All right, let's take a look at charts. Crude has first target. Just missed. Nice trade, Greg. Missed this by a tick. We'll see if we can't get second target. Bots are now up 24.12. Crude should work down to 91.04. Maybe 90.88. All right, so here's a 60-minute chart. This is a small problem area through here, this low volume node, right where we're at on the NASDAQ. Kind of a make or a break. I would think if we hold, we could get a pushback to 975. If we break lower, we're going to come back down into this lower zone. Target 2 is hit on crude. I've never NASDAQ. Hang it. There it comes. There it goes. There's target 1 anyways. This should get target 2. You're going to get a little bit of support at 10. So it should get this target 2 if you guys are short NASDAQ. Support's going to come in from yesterday's close. If we break below 10, we come 95 on the NASDAQ. And then I'll look at order flow. We'll check volume. We're holding VWAP. Take a siesta here. Here's where we're getting stuck. Yesterday's close. If we break below yesterday's close, we probably work back down into 885. It should get it could bounce back to 25, but should get the second target. Come on. There it is. We're going to find support about 904. It's got to break below 10, and then it works down to 95, maybe 92. Hourly support's going to come in at 95. It really can get that third target. So how do I know that there's hourly support at 95? Well, first off, I watched a bunch of charts. Let's take a look at NASDAQ on the hourly. There's going to be support. You've got hourly lows right here at 06, give or take. If that breaks, it runs into the turning line on the 60-minute chart. This is the 26 period. That's going to stop it, at least initially. So I'm not even looking at the bot. Okay, Eddie. But this is why I watch multiple time frames and multiple charts, right? I want to know what am I trading to? Do I have a chance to get that third target? Whether you're trading manually or you're trading robotically, I want to know. Long above VWAP, fellas. This if it goes, it's going right here. trying. You see your resistance, right? NASDAQ's wanting to go. Come on, NASDAQ, you're going to go. Russell's bid right off the rip. All right, I got my bots on, guys. Still can't break it. There are buyers. There it goes, fellas. There it goes. There you go. Target number 1, 42. 42. Call it 40. Target number 1 is 40. Come on, dog. Got a break here, 35. There it goes. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. There's. I think we missed 40 by a tick. That's support. ES has to get above 46, 47, and we trade 60. You got your 40 target 1, fellas. Free trade now. Nice job, Albert. Nice job. Could pull back to 902. Really need to hold 20. If we break back below this 23, actually, we're going to pull back. No bot trades. Guys, the bots are up 3,600. I won't give them a long leash. ES is now long on the bot. It's got to get above this trend line, 46, 47. That's its If it gets above 47, it's going to rip. Target is 41.60 then on the ES. And there's a natural gas trade. I can't move the bot. Got 247.25. This is that trade. It's pushing this 15-minute trend line right here. Pop above this, we get 50, value area high, and we'll probably trade 60. Nice job, Ozzy. NASDAQ 980 is a target. 980. Longs, fellas. Longs. ES is going to go. ES is going to go. ES is going to go. There's buyers. There goes ES. Come on. All right, that's it for natural gas. Done for the day on natural gas bot. Done. Come on, ES. Scum. No, this is support on the NASDAQ. It's holding. Come on. All kinds of buyers, guys. 1,300 net buyers on the day. No, come on. Come back. ES is going to be out, it looks like, on the bot. Okay. I'm done with the ES. I'm done with bots. I'm done. They're all off. They were up 3,700. They're up 1,900. 2 losing trades. I'm done. There's no point in pushing it anymore. I don't care what they do the rest of the day. Done. NASDAQ looks like it's coming back to that 902. If we get back above this area here, come on. $902. Small sellers here, 180 sellers, 160 sellers. No, still wants VWAP. It's a short. It's a small short. Come on, if you push back above. It's got to get back above what was resistance, became support, now resistance again. There's 02. There's 02. Guys, it's really small selling crap. I still think we're going up. 1,140, give or take, net buyers. ES support 37. NASDAQ got to push back above here, 25 really. It's going to go back to 31. Come on, NASDAQ. Back to 31. Let's go. Small, guys, it's really small selling. Now we got some sellers, 300 plus. Back into this support, 70 to 80. You could come down 76. There is an unfinished auction down there. Down to 700 buyers. 2375 on what, Greg? Oh, NASDAQ. Yeah. Whatever there's that PMI at 945. We're below yesterday's low now, barely. We're probably now headed down to 45 on the NASDAQ. Oh, services. It's a miss. Let it slow down. Jesus. That was a little bonkers. What I would have thought was insignificant news. All lows since 2020. Gold. Nice bid off that 200-week moving average. Guys, if ES gets above that 45, 46, that little 48, call it, I'll be long. Till then, can try a long on the NASDAQ on a move above 08. It's still below VWAP, but I think if we get above 08, we're going to rock. And maybe above 10. Let them doop-de-doo. Like no man's zone here. There's our long. There's your long above 10. If you listened, you are long. If you listened, you are long. Target number 130. 10 to 30. Target 1. Hit and filled. 10 to 30. 20 handles. There we go. I hope the Falcons heard the Falconeer. 20 handles. Free trade. Stops break even. All right, Keith. Anybody else? Get long at 10? Here's a trade, guys. 10 to 44. Here goes ES as well. ES for me has to break out above 48 and I'll be long and trade it to 60. Boom, boom, and boom. Nine minutes to the next candle. I wish I knew. Hector. Yep, new home sales at 10. That'll be a miss. All right, guys. I just hit ES long. 48. I'm long 48. There we go. Now squeeze them. Squeeze them. I'm long ES. Now squeeze the shit out of them. Pardon my French. Let's go get 60. Resistance here at 52. Come on. Come on. Guys, this NASDAQ trade is now up 60 points. 60 if you listen. Come on, ES, push here. If anybody is holding NASDAQ, resistance is about 75, right where we're at. So if you're in from 10, we need to blow through 75 and you start targeting 13,003. 13,000, right up here. 13,002. Boom, and a boom, and a boom, and a boom. ES target, if you are long, is 4160, 4155, 59, 58. Boom, and a boom, and a boom, and a boom, and a boom. My work here is done. Thank you, Earl. Failed this little zone here. That's yesterday. Remember yesterday? We needed to get above 91. That's that zone from yesterday. Nice job, up 1783. See you tomorrow, Jeff. MDB is rocketing. All right, everybody slow down. Still like ES, guys. And NASDAQ. So ES, guys, has to get above 55. NASDAQ, I think we get back to 13,000 today on the NASDAQ. We're at 2,400 net buyers. We're not coming back yet. I wouldn't be trading toward that. Yeah, we could come back to 900. Just waiting on new home sales. But we've pulled resistance here to 55 is the next key. Watch the break of VWAP. Target would be 900. If we get a candle close below VWAP, I'll short it. But I don't have it. It's not a short yet. We still have 2,000 buyers. Struggling. Still holding that support. A lot of selling, but it's getting absorbed. It's got to break below 20, this, VWAP, guys. $2,200 buyers. I'm really not wanting shorts. We're just floating, though. All right, guys. You can try a 50 long, 48. It's just floating, though. Come on, dog. Get above 53, 54. Come on. 53, 54. Right here. Break. 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 It goes. There we go. Come on. There we go. It's got now to get above 68. 68. Small trade. 10 handles so far. It looks like to me, guys, listen, there are 2,400 net buyers, okay, in the NASDAQ. This looks like it's going to bust up. It's just chopping around right now. There we go. There we go. Boom. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Uh, 53 to 74, 20 handles again. Not bad for summer trading. Trade them as you see fit, guys. But I do think we're heading up to 13,000. And I do think ES is going to 60. ES, 54, 55 long, you can try again. You could try it in here. I still think it's going to 60. Come on. Come on. Look at this NASDAQ, baby, from 53. Here it goes. I'll take my ES off at 60 if I can get it. No. Come on, dog. Go get at least 56. Come on. All right, I scalped out of some ES. Here we go. Come on. Guys, ES target is 13,003. I'm sorry, NASDAQ target is 13,003. I've given you ES target is 60. 60 to 65. That's your target on the ES. Here comes 60 on ES. 58.5. Not quite 60. Come on, ratbag. Okay, Randy. Come on, give me 03 and 60. 58.75. I'm off by 5 ticks here. Hey, 03 hit on ES on NASDAQ. 60 hit ES. Short squeeze central. Short squeeze coming up. Next target is 65 ES. 65. Everybody go home. If you didn't make money, you don't listen. Or you panicked and sold. You're welcome, guys. Is there anybody that didn't make money? Is there anybody that didn't make money? Because if you guys aren't making money, you got to tell me. We have to figure out what you're doing or not doing. All right, so look, if you're holding ES, if you're still holding, getting a little slow. Big move up, though, guys. Now we'll probably spend the rest of the morning consolidating. But this is still a long. Almost 3,000 net buyers. If I had to take an SPX trade, guys, it would be calls for tomorrow. 41.95 calls. SPX for tomorrow. 41.95s. You may be able to get a little bit better price, on a pullback, but The only way that I'm short is below 41.30. Boy, copper's to the moon. Silver got a massive move with gold. Anybody have any questions, guys? NASDAQ looks like it could come back 955. Guys, let me just see something. Still in this zone. Bottom of the zone now. You're welcome, Cliff. Maybe a small short trying below 70. 55 is a target. $2,200 net buyers. We've got a fair amount of sellers though right now. All right, I'm trying a small short on the NASDAQ. It's got to come down below 70. If this breaks, this will come down. There we go. Come on down further. Don't be a chooch. Come on down to 56, target 1. Come on, push it. 700 sellers in this block. Target 1 is 55. Come on. 55 is target 1. 55 is target 1. And then 44. Come on. Call it 57. Target 1, 57. 57. And then 44. 57 It held 59, but that should break. Come on. Held 58.75. Come on. 57, I said. Come on, NASDAQ. Still think we get 57, guys, and then 42. 57 and then 42 if you're holding shorts, but trade them as you see fit. They just sold 1,000 contracts in the previous 3-minute bar. Not finding many buyers. Come on, 57, I said. I'm guessing on the next bar. Come on, give it to me now. There's 59, 58, 57 target hit and filled. 57 hit and filled. 44 next. 42, 42. Let's go 42. You guys want to learn order flow? Stop should be at break even. Trade runners as you see fit. $42 next. $42. Did we hit it? I don't know. It's close. Oh, damn. To the tick. Got it to the tick, fellas. A break of 42 takes us down to 920. 920. They're selling them hard. We're down to 1,200 buyers. Selling them hard. Anybody holding shorts? Anybody short? Nice job, Earl. You're welcome. So nobody took that last short to 57 and 42? Nobody? Okay, JC, nice job. Marcia, nice job. Okay, James. Okay, Scott. Guys, everybody, nice job, James. Nice job, Scott. Doop-dee-doo. I told you I like SPX for tomorrow. 41.95s. Calls. No one has responded that they did not make money. Do I have anybody that did not make money? If we get above 75, this may get legs again, back up to 03. Okay. As long as you guys are green. I mean, then there's nothing more to do. Remember, today both days, we did very well with order flow. I don't think I've had, in the last 2 weeks, I don't think I've had 5 losing trades on order flow. John, the bot sucked yesterday. And that really, it was the ES that slopped around in the pre-market. The bots were down yesterday when I shut them off. 12 something, 13 something. And I said, that's enough. I can see it. Today they're up 1,900. They were up 32 or 33. I forget, 37. I forget. And then took a loss on natural gas, which wiped out $1,000. And then a small loss on the ES. And I shut them off. There's no point. I'm not going to run them for. Okay, guys. Now, this could be a fake breakdown again, right? So a candle close below VWAP, you want to be short. A break of that line, she's coming to 99, 98. Still wanting to hold VWAP, but we've tested it so many times. We're coming down. I'm telling you, we're coming down. It's tested too many times for me to want to take a long. That's the break. Now, this could be a fake breakdown. I took the short. I am short. It's got to break that 23, guys. This now should come to 98. Come on, little doggy. 98. I'll take 01. Come on, 98, I said. 98. Don't be bashful. Come on. 500. We're down to 750 net buyers, fellas. 750 on the net buyers. We're down below 700. Call it the whole number target. Call it 01. I'm going to come in 3 handles above what I have as a target. Oh, we'll call it 900. Call it 900. It's only 23 handles. What the fudge? Oh, you're a suckhole. Look at you. 0175. Still coming to my target, I promise. I promise. We're down to 400 net buyers. Oh, 900. Still going to get that 98.99. Come on. A little more. A little more. Poquito más. Come on. Come on. Oh, just missed that damn 99. Come on. Everybody happy? There it is. Booyah, baby. Booyah. Canadian Mounties got nothing on us. And still going. They're going to sell them all back. You've got 1,000 net sellers plus in this 3-minute bar. Anybody take the trade other than Sam? Okay, Kirk. Anybody else? Okay, Brad, Marcia, Sharon. All right, fellas. I mean, if you want to hold, I see no reason to be long at right here. Okay, none. Nice job, James. Up 12 grand for the day. Nice job. All right, Ray, in for 7. You and James trading 7 pieces. 66, 68, maybe final target. Okay, Ron, nice job. 66, 68 area if you're holding short still. I'm flat. I am flat. Guys, it's 10:57. For purposes of the video, no, unless we get above 65, I won't take them. Got to break above 65 and I'll buy 41.95s. If we break, my sense is now at this moment, you can probably buy 41.05 puts, but you still run, for me, I've got to get below 30. If ES breaks below 30, I would buy puts. I don't know that we do. And again, this could be a fake breakdown again. The bot finished up 1935 today. 1935. If ES breaks below 30, you can buy 4100, 4105 puts for tomorrow. You can play both sides, but I prefer not to. The only way that I want calls is above 65. Remember, we have Jackson Hole and Powell speaking at the end of the week. Anybody have any questions, fellas? It's nice to get a little bit of volume and at least volatility again. Uh-oh. SPX puts are looking muy bueno. SPX. Let me take a look at these right now, guys. Today is what, the 23rd? 41. 4105s are 1040. 4100. 4100s are $11. Oh no. 4105s are now 1280. And 4100s. How could 4100s only be 1140? We're breaking down, guys. You can buy SPX puts. Hang on one second, guys. NASDAQ coming into that final target I have at 68. I would do tomorrow's. Yeah, I read that this morning, Dan. What surprised me about that article, I read the same article. What surprised me about that article is that the State Department is urging Americans to leave Ukraine immediately. What were they urging them to do 6 months ago when he invaded? Hang out? Thank you for that. I did read it. Biden planning a student loan debt relief plan tomorrow. I got to get my application in to get my money back. Anybody know if there's an application? I realize it's 40 years later, but can't hurt to try, right? Maybe I go directly to Citibank.